Right, today we're going to take a look at LED headlights, and these are one of the best ones I ever used. I actually use them for a lot of different things when I'm working on computers, when I'm working out in the field. There's a couple of things that you should know. It comes with helmet accessories, so you can set up if you have a bike or if you're going to work in the construction field, you can set it up. Charging station, Type C to Type A. They give you two of these, all right, not just one, two. Now, there's two different features you should be aware. One, you got the LED strip here, and then you got the actual light itself. And this light is pretty strong too, but compared with this one, it'll light up in front of you. And they fit very well. Strap is included too. You can stretch it out. Charging station is included in the back. It's covered up for waterproof, water resistance. Now, to turn it on is simple. There's a couple of things you should know. You hold on the button, you do flashlights, all right? You click on once, and you turn on the front of the headlights. You click on again, it lowers down the actual light. Then the third time, it turns on this thing. Now, when you hit again, it does a double. If you guys can see, again, it turns off after. So there's two tones for every single light. Now, when you hit this sensor here, okay, so once you see the light turn into like an orange, when you hit the sensor with a wireless, all you got to do is run your hand through, all right? So when you want it off, you just touch it. There is a sensor right here. It's an IR sensor that if you cover it up, it turns off. If you cover it on, it turns on. So if you put it on your head, let's go ahead and put it on our head. If you guys can see, it's on my head. I'm gonna turn it off just by touching it, and not even touching it, just running it right on the corner. See if you guys can see that. So this light is very powerful. It's very bright. I've used it many times. All right, so we have a helmet here. It's a construction helmet. It's not the newer versions, but it fits any helmet. Now, this one, you just have to stretch out the actual ribbon itself, the actual bungee cord. You can set it up however you want. I will set it up in a certain position. Now, it's not going to hang, if you guys can notice. It slips off, but that's what they give you, these little hangers for the actual to grab onto the actual helmet. So what I like about this is like you pretty much send them in there, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and set them up. Basically, we strapped it around. You get the hooks in every single corner here, and just move them however you want to freely, so this thing won't adjust very good. So all you got to do is just make sure you pull them in together and put the light in the headlight. And if you want to adjust it, move it to the right or move it to the left. And everything's simple to move. I mean, you don't have to really do too much, and you got a permanent area too. So you can adjust these however you want. And they give you more, of course, you know, and I have plenty of more here. So when you put them on, you put on your headset, and then you could turn it on. It's simple. So you could go on construction, you're working at night, you're riding a bike or something. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.